ginger, honey, aloe vera, and black seed oil mixture to help to brighten up your inner thighs, your underarm, dark pigmentation, sun damage on your skin. All you need to do before you go to bed is to take a little bit and massage it right where you think that you need the treatment. And this mixture here goes directly into the fridge. Please do me a favor, do not leave this in the bathroom because bathroom is susceptible to mold. Hello guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very highly requested video about how to lighten up your inner thighs or any freckles or dark pigmentations. The first thing we need is ginger, fresh ginger, organic. We will grate some ginger. So we need ginger, we need aloe vera. If you have fresh aloe vera gel, kudos to you, go ahead. We will use honey, and we will be using black seed oil. So let's go ahead. The first thing we want to do is we want to grate the ginger so that we can extract the juice from the ginger. A whole lot of people does not have juicer, and this is the easier way to extract the juice from the ginger. So after grating the ginger, you want to extract the juice in a different bowl. We are only going to be needing some of this juice, but not all of them. So this bowl here is the bowl I'll be using to mix the cream. So what we need is 1 tablespoon of ginger, fresh ginger juice. If you have sweet almond oil, go ahead and use your sweet almond oil. I am using black seed oil. It's powerful even to consume and to reduce dark pigmentations. And also 1 tablespoon of black seed oil. So the next thing we need is 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey. Honey is known to brighten up your skin, especially when you have black pigmentation. Again, make sure you are using organic raw honey. The next thing you need is fresh aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Again, aloe vera gel is awesome to reduce the signs of aging and to decrease wrinkle formation, stretch mark, and also will aid and facilitate in brightening up your complexion, like not bleaching cream. Also, you can add some honey. You can add some fresh lemon juice into this mixture, but please, again, if you live in a warm climate, do not add lime or lemon to this, especially if you go out to the sunlight or if you're going to be applying this on your face. If you do apply this on your face, make sure you wash it off before you go to the sun. If you have to apply this between your thighs, apply this before you go to bed, and also wash it off in the morning. If you live in a cold climate, you can apply this directly on your face and walk around with it. It is very good in the cold temperature and it will help this to infuse into your skin. So make sure you store this in the cold temperature and use this for at least 7 days to give you the amazing skin brightener that you want. So guys, thank you for your time, and let me know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts and your comments. If you have used this before, please let me know what you think about it. Thank you. Bye.